This is the Unit 4, Lesson 4 retrieval in our packet. It is on page 28. Okay, write an equation to fit with the story and then solve to answer the question. Augustus has made a pile of 2,000 candies, and he is giving away 25 candies a day from this pile. It's a lot of candies. When will he have 350 candies left in this pile? Okay, so first of all, they say when will he have a certain amount left. So I think our variable here is the number of days. So maybe we could have the number of days be the variable d, because it looks like that's the thing we don't know. Your variable is going to represent something that you don't know. Okay, so let's just start at the beginning. He's got 2,000 candies. He's giving away 25, so we're going to be taking away 25. And it's 25 per day. So 25 times d. So if d is 1, if it's day 1, he's giving away 25. If d is 2, 25 times 2, he's giving away 50. So it's 25 each day, or each d. Okay, when will he have 350 candies left? So we're wondering when this is finally going to get down to 350. So there's our equation. Now we have to solve. I want to get rid of this 2,000 because I'm trying to get this variable by itself, so I'm going to subtract 2,000 from both sides. That gets rid of this, and now I have negative 25d equals negative 1,650. I'm not going to lie, I used a calculator. Okay, now negative 25 and d are being multiplied, so to undo multiplication I have to divide. And I'm going to divide both sides by negative 25. And I'm going to use a calculator. All right, 66. So it'll take 66 days for him to get down to 350 candies. Okay, so 2 and 3 we're evaluating functions. The number in the parentheses is the input. That's what we're putting into the function. So we're going to replace x with 2 for this one. So 2 times 2 minus 9. Input we put into the function. So 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 9. 4 minus 9, that'd be negative 5. And I think we're going to skip b because it's very similar. All right, number 3. This time our input is negative 4. So we're going to plug in negative 4 for x. Okay, I've got a negative times a negative, which is going to turn into a positive. Now I've got 20 plus 2, that's 22. Same thing, let's skip b because it's very similar. Okay, last thing, solve each of the literal equations for the indicated variable. So we're supposed to solve for q. I need to get the q variable by itself. Right now it is being multiplied by 7. The opposite of multiplying by 7 would be dividing by 7. So I'm going to divide both sides by 7. That will get rid of this. 7 over 7 is just 1. So r over 7 equals q, and that's done. In number 5, they want us to solve for m. Okay, 2 things are happening over here. M is being multiplied by 2, and then we're subtracting 5. So we need to undo these steps in the reverse order. So PEMDAS would have us multiply first and then subtract. Since we're undoing, we need to do this in reverse order. So we're going to start by undoing the minus 5. Opposite of subtracting 5 would be adding 5. That gives us 2m equals y plus 5. Okay, that went away. I can't add these together because they're not like terms, so I just write them next to each other. Now m is being multiplied by 2. Opposite of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. And I'm just going to leave that as one big fraction.